Christmas hair vlog after Christmas. Let's go.
I planned on braiding my hair.
And for extension, I'll be making use of this darling Duchess Picot extension.
But first, let me book my appointments using the Mirron app. On the Mirron app, you have various services to pick from, and I just picked braids, and then I searched for my stylist because I was around my mom's area, which is where my stylist is. Luckily for me, she was on the app, so I booked her, and Mirron called me to confirm my booking. Within few minutes, my booking was confirmed and I was on my way. Please tell me why they chose today of all days to leave the dog outside. Anyways, nothing is stopping this beauty. I was on my way and this was me in the bus. Got to my stylist place and it was time to get into the business of the day. This is me just showing you guys how the extension looks, and then they started prepping my hair. They had to blow dry it because it was a bit wet from the leave-in conditioner. Hair has started though. Meanwhile, a girl has to eat because I didn't eat before leaving the house, and this was the hair halfway into it and I was already loving it. I love the size and love the fact that it was not just one person that was doing. Meanwhile, this braid is called watermelon. At this point, it was painful because it was almost at the end. I don't know why it's always like that. Now they were just trimming it and it was time to go into the most dreaded part of every braid. In my mind, I was praying, make hot water, no touch me. Then they used a spraying mousse and then they went ahead to loosen the twist, and this is the finished look, guys. I love everything about this braid. With the Mirron app, getting your maintenance done has been made easy, and we've come to the end of this vlog. How much do you think I make this hair? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to try Mirron today.